My presentation will include a brief introduction to Energy Efficiency Services Limited and the opportunity available in the street lighting as energy efficiency. So, Government of India has taken an initiative to create an energy efficient market in India, and for this purpose they have incorporated Energy Efficiency Services Limited as a joint venture company of NTPC, Power Grid, Power Finance, REC and PFC. As of now, the following activities has been undertaken by ESL, like energy efficiency projects for demand side measures, then implementation of central and state government policies, consultancy services tools, and then development of private ESCO in India. So, street lighting sector have a significant potential for energy efficiency and cost saving also. As per the statistics available in the CEA report, street lighting consumes around 8.5 billion units of electricity in the financial year 12-13, and this consumption will keep on increasing at a rate of 7% till financial year 2021-22. If we retrofit all the conventional street lights with LEDs, it has the potential to save around 50% of energy consumption. That will amount to 4.3 billion. And in addition to this, by optimizing the operations through centralized control and monitoring systems and improvement in power factor, the additional savings will be around 15 to 25%. So, the total savings from LED and the centralized control and monitoring system would be around 5 billion units per annum. And apart from these monetary savings, thus the quality of services provided by the ULB as well as the municipalities will also improve. In the recent past, municipalities have came out with a tender to replace their conventional streetlights with LEDs. But due to various factors, mainly the high cost of LEDs and the technology, these projects cannot be successful. So, what are the issues and challenges which are also faced by the ESCO industry for implementation of street lights? These are inadequate baseline data which is not available, which is inadequate available. The billing, there are meter connections as well as the unmetered connections in the street lighting. Then the lumen output in the street lights is not as per the BIS standards. And even the manual operations of the streetlights also consumes additional usage of 10 to 15% of electricity. Then the street lighting, the municipalities insist on the payments linked to the electricity bill so that their bills are also reduced, which is which actually increases the risk of ESCO company on the part of technical as well as financial. Then there is a payment security mechanism which is not available in the market. Then the detailed monitoring and verification plan. It also makes it difficult to arrange the finance for the ESCO company. So, in order to overcome these issues and challenges, ESL has come out with a methodology which uses this deemed savings approach. It is an annuity model. Under this methodology, there will be overall cost saving to the municipalities. And the energy cost as well as O&M cost of the municipality will also come down. The demonstration will be the demonstration for street lighting will be the street lights, the LED street lights will be demonstrated before ESL enters into an agreement with the municipality. This is the complete methodology. These are the cost savings that ESL has worked out for the municipalities. This is the current portfolio which ESL is handling. It is around 7.6 lakhs streetlights which can be replaced as of now, on which ESL is working. And it is estimated that around 35 lakhs streetlights are available at the national level which can be replaced. The other significant point is to be noted that there is a potential, the potential savings of 33.65 lakh street lights will bring down the cost of the LEDs, and it will also promote the domestic manufacturing. These are the demo projects that ESL has executed at Missouri. On the one side, it's sodium vapor street lights, and on the other side, it is LED. You can see there is a overall savings of 50% energy savings. Then lux level on the roads has also improved by 50%, and the power factor has also improved. Which this is the demo project at Pondicherry. Thank you.
Can you go back to few slides? I will add something.